Week 2 of our export-import journey. This week, we're focused on strengthening supplier partnerships and building reliable sourcing networks to serve global buyers more effectively. Our current focus is on the Vietnam and Indonesia markets, where we're actively exploring opportunities in the medical and surgical equipment industry and the rapidly growing biodegradable product sector. We're evaluating manufacturers, analyzing quotations, assessing quality standards, and identifying partners who can deliver consistency, competitive pricing, regulatory compliance, and dependable supply. At the same time, we're working on product costing, freight strategy, logistics planning, and export pricing to ensure every opportunity is commercially viable and globally competitive. Because successful international trade isn't built on transactions alone, it's built on trust, transparency, and long-term partnerships. We're not just creating export opportunities, we're building a network of trusted relationships that generate sustainable value for both suppliers and global buyers. One partnership, one opportunity, and one global connection at a time.